Giraffes sure stand out in the animal kingdom. And we're not just talking about their super tall necks. These spotty beasts also boast some exceptional features, from monster tongues to natural blood pressure cuffs. Discover what makes these skyscraper creatures so wonderfully weird. Giraffes have the highest blood pressure of any mammal. It makes sense given their heads are on average 6.5 feet above their bodies. At around 280/180, it's more than double that of humans at 120/80. Their powerful hearts weigh around 24 pounds and are 2 feet long, and while the right ventricle is normal in structure, only having to pump blood to the lungs, the left ventricle of a giraffe's heart has significantly thicker walls and a relatively small chamber, allowing it to push blood with immense force up the neck to the head against gravity and the hydrostatic pressure from the blood already in the artery. Adding to their incredible circulatory system are their natural compression socks around their legs. Muscle and skin around the legs are particularly tight, increasing blood pressure and thus preventing blood from pooling and blood vessels from bursting. As for their furry headgear, they're not horns at all. These columnar structures are called ossicones and are alive with blood vessels and nerves. Unlike horns and antlers that may appear similar, ossicones are made of ossified cartilage that hardens into bone as a giraffe matures and becomes permanently attached to the skull with connective tissue. It's been proposed that their function is mainly for thermoregulation and combat, but no one knows for sure. If you thought their long necks were something, their tongues can be up to 20 inches long. These clever prehensile tongues can reach in between vicious thorns of Senegalia and Vichelia trees to get to the nutritious leaves. Thick papillae and highly viscous saliva protect their tongues from getting spiked. And if they do accidentally get injured by their lunch, their saliva also happens to be antiseptic. Scientists theorize that because of giraffes' time grazing treetops in the scorching African sun, the top of their tongues are gifted with extra melanin, causing the dark blue, purple, or black coloration. Bulging eyes on either side of their head give them a wide range of vision. The placement also allows them to see what's going on the ground below. As for distance, they can spot an oncoming lion more than half a mile away. Other ungulates like zebra and antelope are often seen hanging around with towers of giraffes. It's believed that this gives them the advantage of the giraffes acting as watchtowers, while they take care of the ground patrol underneath the tree branches. Working together in symbiosis, they can spot a predator and sound the alarm before it's too late. Giraffes truly are marvels of specialized anatomy, allowing them to thrive in their brutal environment. While their quirky features strike us as bizarre compared to human norms, each plays a vital evolutionary role.